What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. The boy working with checking in. Right here is a 2022 Toyota RAV4. 2022 Toyota RAV4. I'm gonna show you guys how to take off the trim panel right here. I'm gonna show you guys how to take off this door handle, both of them. I'm gonna show you how to take off this mirror. All right, baby. Let's go play some peekaboo for a minute. Let's go. The first thing I want you guys to do, you guys see that plug right there? You get your flathead screwdriver, you're gonna pop it out. Bam, pop it out. There's a screw inside there, okay? That is a Philip. It's right inside there. That's one. Up here. That tab right there, plug it out. Bam, plug it out. There's the next screw right there. Take it out. This right here. Hold the handle back, just like that. Pop this piece out. Just like that. Pop it out, okay? There's a screw right there. Take that screw right there. Now, once you guys take them two screws from there, go down here, pop this piece out, pop it out. That tab right there, push that tab down, bam, take it out. Now it's time to take off the trim panel. One. Two. Three. Go ahead and pop that piece right there, pop it out. Go ahead and pop that piece out. Okay. Use the flathead. Put it right between the groove right there, and pry the trim panel away from the door. Just like that. It's loose. Pry it open, just like that. Yeah. Loose. Now we're gonna grab it and go up with it. Just like that. You're going to take the wires loose and the harness loose. Take that loose. All right, take this one loose, then these two. Guys, remember, the green one goes in the bottom. When you're going to put back this thing, the green one goes in the bottom. All right? Just grab them and pop it out. Now, let's take off that mirror. We're going to take out this mirror, guys. You see this plug right here? Push the stab in, take it loose, okay? Take that loose, then you're going to use the clip puller. Use the clip puller. Take it out. Then take them three nuts from there, guys. Those are number 10. Turn those to the left, okay? Oh God, you're 10 millimeter. You're 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter. Go ahead and hold the mirror. That tab right there, push it down. And it comes out, just like that. Comes out. Now it's time to take out the handle, this piece right here. You're gonna peel that piece back. Now, let's go play peekaboo on how to take the handle out. Okay, the first thing I want you guys to do is take that plug out. See a screw right there? You're gonna take that screw from right there. You're gonna turn to the left, okay? It's a star tip, guys. It's a star tip number 30. Then this is the most important part. This is the important part, guys. Go ahead and pull this thing down. Loose this. Pull this piece down some more. Now, pull it down. Get this light. That light right there. Now, this is the important part. You see this clip? I'm gonna squeeze it in. Squeeze it in. Pull it open. That's what holds the handle. That clip, this clip right there hold the handle. So therefore, when you guys goes to put the handle back, close that clip back, okay? If you do not close that clip back, when you go to open the door, the handle will slide out along with your hand. So close it back. Now go ahead, open it up. Then use a flathead screwdriver. You gotta get this harness loose. You're gonna pry the top open, just like that. It's two of them, top and bottom. It's hard for me to do with this camera in my hand. Now, you see that white clip right there? That's a clip. You're gonna start this thing, and you're gonna push it in. Take that off. See that clip right there? Push it in. Push it in. Pull it out, just like that. Now it's time to take the screw loose and take the handle out. That's how you do that. Turn to the left. Remember the star tip, guys. T-star tip. Now go ahead, use your flathead, put it in the groove, take it out. Now sometimes when you're going to take it out, if it does not come out right away, keep some pressure on it. Keep some pressure on it and loose that screw some more. Pops right out. Now, we're going to go ahead and slide the handle open. Just like that. That's how you do that, guys. It's a wrap. Handle is out. The pillar is off. The trim panel is out. That's the information you guys need, okay? So guys, thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to bang that like, bang that subscribe. With that said, thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys on the next video, baby. Bam!